Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I am going to share. Uh, Today I have checked our refrigerator and I found out that we have a lot of vegetable there that will be all spoiled. So I am going to cook them, and I'm gonna show you how I will cook. And we'll keep it in the refrigerator or in the freezer so that we can eat for 3 to 4 days. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to give your subscribe. If you like this video, click the like, and if you want to be notified for my future videos, click the notification bell. Thank you and see you until the end. I have here this bangan, as they called it, or eggplant, and I am going to make it Hyderabadi bangan. Here is also the bottle gourd, opo as we called it, or kadu as they call it here in Pakistan, and I will be mixing it with this split dal or chani dal. These are the things that I have in here: shalgam, eggplant, and kadu or opo, basin or chickpeas flour. And I'm gonna make kari or kadi or Khari as they called it. I am not really sure how they pronounce it. And since I have here a lot of homemade yogurt. First, I will start cooking the Khari because it takes a lot of time. So I will do that first. The sad thing, our bengan is not good. There's a lot of worms and also a lot of seeds, so it's better to throw it then. Let us cook the kadu and split dal. Blended all the things at once that I need to cook the kadu with split dal or chani dal. So of course, I boiled first the chani dal. Here's my curry or kari or kadi as they call it here. It is the mixture of yogurt, water, and chickpeas flour. I boiled the shalgam with green chili. Let us make the pakora for our curry or kadi. Fry the mixture that I am going to use to cook kadu with chani dal. Cook it until it becomes gravy just like this before adding the kadu or chani dal. I cook all the dishes at once, so my oven was really busy. This is how I cook because I have to be in rush before the gas gone out. Our shalgam is now cooked, so I am going to crush it and then place it in the plastic bag. Now our gravy for kadu with the split dal is ready, and let us mix the kadu and the split dal. Mix it and then cover it for 15 minutes. You can use the water that you use when you boil the split dal. After 15 to 20 minutes, check it and it will be like this. Now it's cooked. Let us transfer it in whatever kind of plastic box that you have or whatever boxes that you have that you can place inside of the refrigerator. Let us start cooking the pakora. I mixed it with potato and onions. Fry it until it becomes golden brown or whatever you want. It's up to you. If the pakora is cooked, just add it up on our mixture or kadi mixture. Just like this. Mixture and the pakora is cooked, we have to roast or fry 15 pieces, or it depends on you if how much do you want, whole red chili. And also, I added zira seeds. So it's up to you if how much do you want. Now it's ready, so I am going to add it on the mixture, just like this. Once it's cooked, put it in the box so that you can place it in the refrigerator. Everything is done now, and this is the shalgam. I put it in the plastic so that I can easily place it in the freezer. These are the boxes for the kadi or kari. And here is our kadu with split dal. And I made also some sweets. And these are the boxes that I have in here. They are so expensive boxes. It's very easy and convenient to place these boxes inside of the refrigerator. Let's place them in the refrigerator. First, this shalgam. I place it in the freezer because I don't know when I will use it, and I'll gonna cook it with palak and meat. I'll just gonna place this dal and kadi in here because if you will place them in the freezer, there is some change, but in here you can keep it for 3 to 5 days without any changes in taste. And now I am going to show you how to eat the kadi with or how Pakistanis eat kadi or kari. This kari we can eat with the rice and of course the paratha, okay, paratha or chapati. First, I'm gonna eat it with paratha. Since paratha is not really good when it's already cold. I'll take some, so let's eat. Then, we will eat it like this. We just need to spread it on our paratha. This curry is one of the best thing here in Pakistan, and I think also in India, because we have the same kind of food, and it's really good. But actually, in us mostly we like it when it's homemade because or spicy. But if you will buy outside, it's so spicy, it's so hard to eat. So we usually make it, or we are making it at home, and it's really nice. And it's also cheap because you can make your own. You can make your own yogurt. At the same time, it's healthy because it's just a mixture of yogurt and chickpeas flour. So it's really healthy. No artificial flavor. So yummy, guys. It's really nice. Right, so I will try also the roti. Same way, you just need to cut that and then eat it also the same way, like you also how to eat with rice. Okay, so I have here a cup of rice and I'm going to eat it. We can mix it with it. It's up to you if how much do you want, right? And just eat it as normal as the way you eat rice with other food. So nice with rice. But you know, most of Pakistanis or Indians, they don't want rice. They eat rice occasionally. They love eating roti or chapati or paratha or naan. But of course, like us, Far East Asian country people, we love rice. Rice is too different from the taste of our rice. The rice has no taste. It's usually or mostly dried. But you will they have a long grain of rice. The rice has a long grain look and nice. But the thing is, the taste is really too different from our rice. Because our rice, like in the Philippines, we have different kind of rice. We have variety or kinds of rice, and they are nice. If you can eat without anything, you can eat it just the rice, and it's really tastes good or nice. If you will ask me how it tastes or which one is good to eat with this, I think I love the most with the I like with the paratha. There is something taste that it's perfect to combine with the curry. I don't know, but it's just based on my taste. Okay, told you the rice actually here is dry. Yeah, it has no taste, so that might be the reason why. And with roti or chapati, it's also nice, but I don't really like it personally. So it still depends on us. But if you will ask me if which one is good, for me is the khadi or the curry with paratha. Also eat it with bread. That's all, guys, for today, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give me your subscribe, click the like, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my future video. I'm gonna share whatever a part of culture or what are the things in here in Pakistan as much as I can, as long as I am living here in Pakistan. Thank you so much and have a great day. See you on my next video. Bye.